What's going on, everybody? First episode of Shitbox Saturdays. This channel basically is me working on my various shit boxes. Oh, hey, Momo. And today's shit box, out of the various ones I have, it's gonna be this thing. It's a wood chipper I got from the scrapyard for about 250 bucks. Does run, have it running before. Hopefully it'll be an easy one, but hope doesn't really get you anywhere, so we'll just have to see. As far as I know, which I don't know much about it, it's mid to late 70s, a splund chuck and duck. It'll chip some shit, but it's dangerous too. When I got it, neighbor got tired of the guy using it, put some sand down in the valve cover, trying to lock up the engine. It's a 74 Ford straight 6 300 in it. And basically the guy's neighbor got tired of hearing it run, tried to put sand down in the valve cover, and dude saw the sand and scrapped it. So I was there looking for angle iron to work on a trailer I had, and $200 wood chipper I'm not passing up because I can fix a shit box. So, got a buddy who needs to use a chipper, so I'm just trying to get it back up and running. It's been about a year since I started it last. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. First step, got to put a battery in it. Let's go ahead and grab that out of another shit box. Alright, getting battery out of this thing. This isn't even my fucking toolbox. My toolbox is in my truck that my brother has. But thankfully I had an extra one sitting around. And if it goes the way it should, this should be all I need. But we'll have to see. Where the fuck's the 8mm on this thing? It's a bit rainy out here today, which isn't ideal, but busy for the rest of the weekend. So let's hope we can get it done. Running into the first problem, which is I don't have a long 8mm here. Let's see if I can get a 9 to bite on it. Oh no, I'm just a retard. Yeah, fair warning, this channel is not, I'm a professional mechanic, come learn how to work on things. I'm a redneck, I got a lot of shit boxes that I need to fix. Come on if you want to hang out and watch me fuck up so that you don't make the same mistakes later on. Fucking hate pulling the battery out of this thing. Shout out Ford engineers, making my life difficult ever since I started driving. Alright, battery's out. Pack this thing up, we'll take it down with us, see what we can do. Back here, now, previous owner put some fucking new cables on it, which is great, helpful. They're both fucking red. Alright, that is the ground. Oh. Let's see if that'll give me an okay enough connection to crank it. Nope, it's not going to. Oh, this thing's a fucking shit box. I got a lot of them. I got this, I got a trailer that's still under renovation. Oh, 1971 Ford bucket truck, old bell up there. You're like, why do you have all this? Well, my wife wants horses. I gotta clear 5 acres of land in order to give her the horses, which I don't know how I'm afford, but I can work on a shit box every now and then and try and move it along a little bit more. So it should be getting connection there. Oh, don't be a whore. Fucking intake. Love it. Oh, we're doing good things. Now this is actually over top of my drain field. This is why I don't have more stuff parked back here, because anyone who has a drain field knows that's not the smartest thing to do. But sometimes you got to park a few things on the drain field. Go ahead and take this hinge off. Take the cover off and we can start fucking with. Hopefully it's just a stuck solenoid. I can tap it a few times and we'll get her to crank, because I still got to see if it'll catch, and if it's not cranking, it ain't gonna catch. Expert mechanics here. Self tappers through a fucking gate hinge to resecure a piece of shit lid. We got her. Those there. Let's get this thing off. Alright. There's a solenoid, a couple tappy taps, and it could very well be, because this battery is for a fucking Ford Fiesta. Probably the battery, honestly. Yeah, probably the battery, and I don't have anything here that I can take the battery out of that'll give me enough spark. Because the only thing I got here with a working battery is my work truck. They'd be rather upset if it went off GPS. Shit fire save matches. We're here at a great start for Shitbox Saturdays. Yeah. I just don't think that battery's gonna have enough ass to do it. It's only pushing, well, it's pushing about 11 volts by the gauge. The gauges do actually work. That was a big surprise for me. Temp starter a couple more times. I don't think we're gonna be able to do it today. I think I gotta get my truck back from my brother and get a Group 31 in it. Yeah. Well, that's not fun. I'm sorry to cut this episode short. Well, let's hit up old YouTube University, see what they say. Yeah. Now, if it was just single tick and nothing was happening, I'd say it's probably a connection on the battery, but it's just sitting there sounding like a fucking machine gun, and you know, usually when that's the case, it's because it ain't got enough acetylene. Yeah. Last I used it, it turned freely, started up, ran. I chipped a couple things with it, so I know the motor's not locked up. It's been about a year, but the motor ain't gonna lock up on its own. So I think I'm gonna have to call it. Next Saturday, I'll see y'all back here and we'll get this thing up and running. Y'all have a good one. Stay blessed. If you actually watched, thanks for watching. If not, well, have a good one either way. But take care.